get you one.
Should we hold our seats?
Yeah, whatever you want. Or do you want to take a walk?
No, I'll stay here. And
Okay. What do you need? Water?
just the
You want
water
some-
with ice, that's all.
Sprite if they got it?
No, just water.
All right, and where is that? That's up there?
It should be down here, right
Oh,
there.
okay.
Michael, come here, buddy.
We've got the sails set now. The only thing we're missing is wind. It's not very windy this afternoon, so we'll keep the engines on for the time being. We might pick up a better breeze later on during the cruise. And continue heading outbound under power. Over to our port side, we're passing a branch of the river called Scotts Creek. You can see Scotts Creek Marina with all the sailboat masts off in the distance. At the mouth of Scotts Creek is a small private shipyard called Earl Industries. They repair military vessels and store some government-owned